Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. So today in this video I am going to review this World Health Organization M Yoga app. So I came across this app just right now while I was studying the current affairs of the June month. So this app was launched by the World Health Organization along with the Ministry of Ayush on the a yoga day. So it was held on 21st of June. So let's start with this app. So you just to download this app you just have to go to the Play Store. Alright, I will show you right here. So you just have to you first open the Play Store, then you search this M Yoga app, then you show this. Yes, this. So I have already downloaded this app, so let's just get started with this. So let's open it. So this is how it shows. So here these are the tutorials, so let's get started. So here's it's written, first start your journey of learning by watching yoga, then you do practice. So this is it. Let's cancel it out first. So here is the learning module, then there are different practice sessions like 10 minutes and 20 minutes and 45 minutes. So as per the first impression, this interface look very simple and does not have any ads or anything unnecessary. So here's the learning part. Alright, so since I have, yes, these are the 10 minutes, these are for 10 minutes different asana, and then for 20 minutes these are different asanas, and then there's this 45 minutes. So you first have to download this, after that you can start watching. So let's start with this invocation. Let's download this first. Alright, so let's download. Alright, it's downloaded, so let's play it first. Alright, that's I got the gist of it. So it basically saying the intro and what you have to do, and that's it. So as you go down you can see different asanas here, like the Aradha Chakrasana, Tadasana, then Pavana Muktasana. Yes, these are different exercises also, but these are also help for breathing exercises like this Nadi Shodhana Pranayam and etc. So this is it. So let's check what else is here. So here's the quick tutorial on how to use this app. So it's saying start a journey by learning today, and these are things. So you just have to read it out yourself. I'm not going to do that. And how to use this app. So this is the same about World Health Organization. So this is about the app. So what is World Health Organization? M Yoga originated in India thousands of years ago, etc. So who developed this M Yoga? In 2004, World Health Organization. Alright, so develop this contact. So these are the details to how to contact this, as you can see. And then there's this acknowledgement. You can read it out by yourself, it's not necessary for me. And then here's the tell your friends. So let's go back to home first. And alright, so here's a practice set. Here practice. Alright, so you can choose your level right here, and then there's the audio, 10-minute audio or you can start with the video 20 minute 10 minute, you can download it. So yeah, you can download it in the whole bunch in this part. Alright, so what else is there? Alright, so that's it for this. So this is just a quick review because I just came across this app today, in fact a few moments ago. So that's it for this M Yoga app, which was launched on Yoga Day on 21st January. So thank you for watching, and if you are interested in helping yourself, then you can definitely check out this app, because the interface of this app is very smooth and it is very simple. So that's it. Thank you.